Hello viewers, this is Kavita Raju with you. I have contributed a poem entitled Ashes of Passion in the anthology of poems Painting Dreams, edited and compiled by Professor Aparna. The foremost thing I like in this book is the theme line, hope and positivity, which is very much needed for our present day challenging life. In the poem, I have portrayed the 4 stages of life: childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and middle age. The change of mind in each stage is unraveled. Let's recite the poem. Ashes of Passion. Life travels not smooth, baffle and impasse, spinning the soul to bleed, blurred vision of burning ecstasy, unsatiated in the unattained. Childhood, unaware of hurdles, waltzing with fairy tale dreams, sporting vigor, shuns television, running on roads, wheeling the tires, game of tip-cat with the street boys, deaf ears to the elders' yells and nags, books lay undisturbed, escorted siblings, cousins, friends, silly quarrels and belly laughs, lost in sleep with the soul of innocence. Childhood lost in sleep with the soul of innocence. Adolescence flutters all the butterflies, die-hard earnings with heartfelt crushes, secret diaries underneath the dresses, the aimless strolls and rendezvous, complex emotions with vivid fancies. Wings of passion sways to the sky, daring bundles of latent skills, friendship goals promised till death, fleeting disputes and private giggles, lost in sleep with soul of dreams. Adolescence lost in sleep with soul of dreams. Adulthood summons the innate strength, driving the dreams is the sole aim, but wedlock becomes the deadlock. Curfew propels and traits what you are not, stagnates the sail with consumption. Love becomes the curse in disguise. Shared dreams ooze callousness, hostile conflicts and bitter wailings. Chopped wings of passion with unheard shrill, lost the sleep with soul of stress. Adulthood lost the sleep with soul of stress. Middle age comrades burdens heavy, carries the cross in the shoulders, wandering blindly ahead unknown of the destination, leaving one's mind barren, bereft of passions or desires. Roars of earnings fills the void, quest of self commences, solitude aches and forgotten smiles, lost to the sleep with the soul of quest. Middle age lost to the sleep with the soul of quest. Miracle in life is fictional, quest of peace is infinite. Regret not the lost in the present, revive the phoenix of passion from the burned ashes of self. Revive the phoenix of passion from the burned ashes of self. Dive into your fiery psychic abyss. Dig the buried charm of smiles. Tear the preconceived and drape the true self. Heedless to the societal verbal swarms, grow your wings of passion. Celebrate and ascend. I'll repeat the lines of positivity and hope here. Regret not the lost in the present. Revive the phoenix of passion. Dig the buried charm of smiles. Grow your wings of passion. Celebrate and ascend. Thank you for the opportunity for recitation.